In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for funnel stage content fast and easy. Google Trends is a fantastic tool that can help you understand the latest in search trends, which ultimately can guide your marketing and content strategies. So let's dive in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to Google. Type in Google Trends in the search bar and hit Enter. Once the search results load, go ahead and click on the first link that appears. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage, where we'll begin our exploration. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, look for the Explore option, usually located at the top of the page, and click on it. This is where we'll be doing most of our work. Exploring different keywords will give us insights into their popularity and how they have trended over time. Next, let's list out keywords for each stage of the marketing funnel. The three crucial stages are awareness, consideration, and decision. For the awareness stage, you will focus on broad, problem-based terms. A few examples include best running shoes or how to start running. These are keywords people might search for when they're just discovering your niche. Moving on to the consideration stage, think solution or comparison terms. Examples here could be Nike versus Adidas running shoes, or best shoes for flat feet. At this point, searchers have identified their problem and are considering potential solutions. Finally, for the decision stage, use brand or product-specific terms such as Nike Air Zoom Price or Buy Adidas Ultra Boost. These are the keywords used when a person is ready to make a purchase. Now tackle each keyword group one by one. Enter the keywords for a chosen funnel stage into the Google Trends search bar. Press Enter to view the trend graph for these terms. This visual data will show you changes in interest over time. As you analyze these graphs, watch for rising interest, which could indicate potential demand growth. This might be the perfect opportunity to consider raising prices or boosting your inventory. Conversely, if you notice a falling interest, this may hint at a demand drop, prompting you to consider markdowns or reducing stock. You can also use the Plus Compare feature on Google Trends to analyze multiple keywords simultaneously. This feature helps you identify which funnel stage currently has the most search interest, allowing you to strategically allocate your content efforts where your audience is most active. Don't forget to scroll to the Related Queries and Related Topics sections for each keyword group. This is a goldmine for uncovering new questions, comparisons, and purchase terms that you can map to the appropriate funnel stages. Finally, Google Trends allows you to export this valuable data. Click on the download icon to get CSV files of the trend graph data. Regularly monitoring these trends, whether weekly or monthly, can offer insights into when demand peaks align with your sales and pricing history. And there you have it. Using Google Trends to enhance your funnel stage content is both simple and strategic. Thank you for watching, and happy exploring.